Congratulations on purchasing a new Vape-Jet. Begin by preparing the area in your manufacturing facility where the Vape-Jet is to be installed. Per the materials list, the table should be sturdy. You'll want to take additional care to ensure that it is level and has at least 3 feet of clearance in front to allow for the Vape-Jet doors to open. The table or adjacent wall should be fitted with pressurized cylinder safety chains for your nitrogen supply. Ensure your table is located within 5 feet from an electrical outlet. The table should be located near an RJ45 jack or have a Cat5 Ethernet cable routed directly to it from the nearest LAN switch in the facility. Your Vape-Jet will require an internet access to take advantage of remote service and support. A standalone computer is optional for operations. If it is used, it should also be connected to Ethernet for best performance. Scheduling a remote installation and training session with a Vape-Jet support engineer prior to unboxing is highly recommended. Please submit a ticket on the help desk or email support@vape-jet.com to set up an appointment. Please take note of the condition of the shipping container and the shock watch sticker that's applied to the crate. Take a picture if it's red and notify Vape-Jet support, and document any damage you see while unboxing. These are the required materials for unboxing your Vape-Jet: a box cutter or scissors, wire cutters, a large flathead screwdriver, a work table at least 72 by 36 inches and capable of supporting 150 pounds or 68 kilograms, a Cat5 Ethernet cable, a nitrogen bottle, food grade or better, with type CGA 580 thread and safety chains, an adjustable wrench up to 1.5 inches for attaching the regulator to the nitrogen bottle, and a 9/16 open-ended wrench. All right, we are taking a flathead screwdriver and going to be prying up the tabs on your shipping container. Use a flathead to get it up, and then use a set of pliers to get it straight. Once you have all the tabs on the top of the shipping crate facing up, you can remove the top shipping container carefully. Use this screwdriver. Pry this open a little bit here. And once that's off, we can set that to the side. Once you remove the top of the shipping container, you'll see there's some packaging material in here. You can go ahead and remove that and throw it away. Now that all that's out, we have a install kit and documentation. And your parts box. Once you've removed all the packaging material and the empty boxes from your shipping container, you'll want to undo the remaining tabs going along the side and the bottom of your shipping container so that you can remove the wall. Unboxing checklist. These are the items that are provided with your Vape-Jet automated cartridge filler: a Vape-Jet reservoir, 2 Vape-Jet beakers, 1 nitrogen gas regulator and PTFE tubing, 1 AC power cord, a 2mm hex driver, a 2.5mm hex driver, 3 open-ended wrenches, 1 size 9/16, 1 size 10mm, and 1 combo of an 8mm and a 9mm, 1 stylus, a Cat5 Ethernet cable, and an Ethernet to USB adapter. These are the steps for your unboxing procedure. Secure the nitrogen bottle in an upright position with chains to the leg of the workbench, wall anchor, or other safe position. Attach the regulator to the nitrogen bottle. Tighten using the adjustable wrench. Remove the sealing tape and attach the PTFE tube to the output of the push connector on the regulator. Unwrap and set your beakers aside. Connect the facility Ethernet cable to the port on the rear of the Vape-Jet. Connect the nitrogen tank and regulator to the Vape-Jet by pushing the free end of the PTFE tube into the push connector on the rear of the Vape-Jet. Remove the tape from the doors and exterior panels of the Vape-Jet. Open the Vape-Jet door, cut and remove the zip ties that secure the motion stages and nitrogen quick connector. Place the Vape-Jet beaker into the beaker holder on the center front edge of the filling platform. The second beaker goes inside the hole on the bottom of the Vape-Jet. Remove the tape from the nitrogen quick connector inside the Vape-Jet enclosure and remove the tape from the corresponding connector and product dipstick port on the reservoir. Ensure the fan filters are properly seated on the sides and rear of the unit, and visually inspect the outside and inside of the enclosure for any obvious shipping damage. Once unboxing and setup has been confirmed with Vape-Jet support, the power cord may be plugged into the back of the unit, connected to facility mains via a surge protector or uninterruptible power supply, and the unit switched on from the rear panel. The Vape-Jet will then power on with several fans, alignment camera LEDs, and enclosure LEDs becoming active. The stages will move to their home position, and the enclosure LEDs will sequence through several colors, displaying green when the unit is fully booted up. Optional, the manufacturing facility will then need to have its IT specialist obtain or assign the IP address of the Vape-Jet on the facility LAN and set this address to a static configuration. This IP address will then need to be bookmarked in the web browser of the computer to be used to operate the Vape-Jet. You can navigate to this IP address and continue with the training session.